Hey everyone, I'm author Jonathan David, or as you know me here formerly before as JJ the Tutor. I still practice a little bit of math here, tutoring students to earn some extra income. If you're interested in working with me, then you can schedule a session with me through Wyzant. And how I do my tutoring is I do it in the Word document. I don't do it handwritten. It's way more efficient. You'll learn a lot more. You'll understand how to type mathematics, and it'll give you a skill that will allow you to, do your homework easier, provide a more professional thing. And let's be honest, penmanship is that's eventually going to go away. You can type math 10 times faster than you can write math, especially if you're doing advanced equations. And so if you watch, if you wanted to do an integral in calculus and you're typing this, just writing that little bit can take a second for a lot of people because most people don't write, but you can copy and paste it, and then you can change things and so forth, or get rid of that and say x squared and things. So if you're in differential equations and you're getting like a super long equation that just needs a negative sign changed, I used to do this by hand. It would take 2 hours to do one question, and 99% of the time there would be a typo because we missed a negative sign. But when you're working with the computer, not only can you copy and paste it and then just change that and copy and paste it, you can use Wolfram Alpha, copy it in there to verify and copy it into Word. We can cover, for advanced topics like Calculus 3 and higher, linear algebra, differential equations, and some other courses, we can cover so much more information in such a shorter amount of time. And you'll get familiar with a little bit of LaTeX here. So LaTeX typing is when you're in this parsing mode, and there's different types of LaTeX programs. Word is just simple for this kind of stuff. So like if you want to type in like let's see here, you can even just play with it. Type in, if you know that, so like x in the set 2 comma 4, and then so you just learn how to do this stuff, which will be a useful tool if you're at calculus 3. You're probably advancing into higher math, so this will allow you to gain some perspective on how to type this stuff, and it coincides with the LaTeX program that you'll use as a professional and in graduate courses and things like that. But as far as just typing up homework, you can type up a nice neat solution right in Word. And when working with me, the beautiful thing is that you don't have to take any notes. No notes, because you listen to me, you pay attention, and then I save it and I send it to you. And then you have it, and then you can study it and practice it later. Just cover part of it and try to solve it out. I don't think that taking notes is an effective thing to do at this level of knowledge. You need to be focused on what's happening. You already know how to do the arithmetics. You need to understand the mechanics. So this is just the better operation. So if you want to hire me to tutor you, this is how we do it. We do it in Word. I show you how to use Wolfram Alpha. So let me pop that up quick here. And so Wolfram Alpha, and let me just show you. So this is the last thing I did here, is this integration from memory, so from the history. So you got this double integration. Let me show you this. This is great because you see here, if I go to plain text and I want to put this back into Microsoft Word, I can just copy it and I can put it in there. Now, it's not going to parse like this because I have to type that stuff in. However, if you're doing other LaTeX code, then you can copy that LaTeX code and it will parse into that program. But this is nice because we can at least take a picture or a screenshot of this and put it in there. And then you can download this stuff and all this. And Wolfram is just, you got to know how to use this program for advanced math. So anyways, if you're interested in hiring me, you'll learn how to use Wolfram and how to do Word, and your life will be easier. And I send you all the lesson work that we work on together in a PDF document or the Word document so that you can edit it and maneuver it or whatever. And that's it. So if you're interested in working with me, I only take a few students each semester. I do not It's a lot of work to do these courses, and so just be cautious about requesting help from me, because a lot of students get these questions, like a 5-question assignment, and they think someone like me can answer it in 2 hours, and it could take 20 to 40 hours to do these things, even with all this technology. Your college assignments each week at these level of courses are, you're looking at 20 to 40 hours of studying, and that's if you're studying on top of it. So don't think you can just do this stuff like that. It doesn't work like that. So anyways, I look forward to working with you. Have a great day.